A missile is also referred to as a guided missile in military jargon. A guided missile is a self-propelled flying weapon that is typically driven by a fighter jet engine or rocket motor. An object that can be launched, shot, or pushed toward a target is referred to as a missile in everyday speech. In most competitive tests, the defense is a significant and engaging component that is combined with the general knowledge section. The Missiles of India is used for a variety of defense related reasons. Fundamentally, its arsenal of ballistic missiles serves as a platform for the delivery of nuclear weapons to both China and Pakistan. India's development of longer range ballistic missiles and its diversification of its delivery vehicles beyond mobile land based missiles are both driven by military requirements. In the age of modernity, India is working with Russia to develop cruise missiles and ship launched ballistic missiles in order to become a strong country. The 1983 launch of the Integrated Guided Missile Development Program. The goal of this program was to build the Trishul, Akash, Nag, Prithvi, and Agni 1 missile systems in the nation. The intermediate range surface to surface missiles mentioned above. The Missile Woman of India is Tessie Thomas, an Indian scientist who serves as the Director General of Aeronautical Systems and the former project director for the Agni 4 missile in the Defense Research and Development Organization. Prithvi was the nation's first surface to surface missile with a single stage and liquid fuel. Agni 5 is an Indian nuclear capable intercontinental ballistic missile developed by the Defense Research and Development Organization. The missile is believed to have a range of around 5,000 to 5,500 kilometers. Scientists and experts say that the missile has the range of 8,000 kilometers. The Government of India launched the Integrated Guided Missile Development Program in 1983 to achieve self-sufficiency in the development and production of wide range of ballistic missiles, surface-to-air missiles, etc. Prithvi was the first missile to be developed under the program. The BrahMos, also designated as PJ-10, is a medium-range stealth ramjet supersonic cruise missile that can be launched from submarine, ships, aircraft or land, notably being the fastest supersonic cruise missile in the world. One of these is the HQ-16 LOMETS or Low to Medium Altitude Air Defense System. It is made by China and was inducted into Pakistani forces in 2017. Its effective range is claimed to be 3.5 to 18 km against cruise missiles like BrahMos. It can intercept low-flying targets at up to 40 km. The Missile Woman of India is Tessie Thomas, as Indian scientist who served as the DRDO's Director General of Aeronautical Systems and as the former project director for the Agni 4 missile. India has studied, produced and used various strategic and tactical missile systems since its independence. Decades-long projects have realized development of all types of missile systems, including ballistic, cruise, anti-ship, air defense, air-to-air, and anti-missile systems. India is one of 7 countries in the world with intercontinental ballistic missiles and one of 4 countries with anti-ballistic missile systems. Since 2016, India has been a member of Missile Technology Control Regime. The use of rockets for warfare in India has been recorded in as early as the 18th century. Masurian rockets were the first iron-cased rockets in world that were successfully deployed for military use. Mysore's conflict with East India Company exposed British to the technology leading to development of Congreve rockets and introduction of rocketry in Europe. Research in missile technology resumed again after India's independence, along with the weapons of mass destruction. Development of nuclear weapons was followed by various missile programs in 70s with development of various ballistic, cruise, surface to air, anti-ballistic missile and orbital launch systems. India conducted its first nuclear test and initiated with Project Devil as an attempt to reverse engineer Soviet surface to air missile guideline and Project Valiant to develop an intercontinental ballistic missile. However, it could not succeed and experience gained led to development of Prithvi series of short-range ballistic missiles. In early 80s, India conducted its first successful orbital launch and synchronized its research institutions under IGMDP and successfully developed a series of strategic missile systems. The project began in early 1980s and ended in 2008. After these strategic missiles were successfully developed, the last major missile developed under the program was the Agni 3 intermediate range ballistic missile, which was successfully tested on 9 July 2007. Since then, India has developed, tested, operationalized and is developing several missile systems that are limited to only a handful of countries, including ICBMS, ASAT, SLBMS and hypersonic weapon system. Threats posed by enemy missile systems led to the pursuit of Indian Ballistic Missile Defense Program. In 2017, India produced most of defined MTCR defined missile technologies required to be integrated to produce most missile systems.